spot as Pig Beach. To avoid the hot sun, the island pigs spend the hottest hours of the day in the shade. They save their foraging for the early morning and late afternoon. Pigs don't have sweat glands to help them keep cool. They're susceptible to heat exhaustion, sunburns, and even skin cancer. Wallowing in sand, while not as effective as a mud bath, cools them and also helps the pigs by shielding them from harmful UV rays. And when things get really hot, these pigs have another trick up their snouts. Out on the ocean, a commotion sounds.